Hi everyone, my name is Simrit and today I'm going to be showing you how you can decorate a wreath for Easter. So let's begin. To start, I'm going to take a wreath ring and I'm also going to take a piece of greenery and I'm just going to tuck it in. Then I'm going to take some green jute rope and I'm going to tie a double knot to secure the greenery and hold it in place. And then just cut out the extra. Then I'm going to take another piece of greenery and I'm going to lay it on where the stem of the first piece of greenery was. And then I'm going to take another piece of green jute rope and I'm going to tie it onto this again. And then you just want to continue taking more pieces of greenery, laying it onto the stem and tying it onto it until you've gone all the way around your wreath. Now I went all the way around. I just have one piece of greenery left to place in, but to end it off I can't just place it on top like I did the rest of them since the stem will stick out. So what I'm going to do is tuck it underneath the previous piece and then lay it on top again, and then I'm just going to tie it on. So this is what it looks like after going all the way around. So what I'm going to do now is take plastic Easter eggs, and I'm also going to take some hot glue, and I'm just going to put it onto the egg. And then I'm going to glue the egg to the wreath. And I'm going to go all the way around doing the same thing, so I'm going to take another egg and put hot glue on one side, and then I'm going to stick it on to the wreath. And then you just want to continue until you've gone all the way around your wreath. So this is what it looks like now. Take some foam carrots and I basically put hot glue on it on one side and then stick it to the wreath in between the eggs. And now I have completed the wreath. This is what it looks like. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and liked this Easter wreath. Thank you for watching. Have a happy Easter and I'll see you next time. Bye!